Thank you for purchasing the NewTek AD2USB adapter. With the AD2USB, you'll be able to control your Ademco Honeywell Vista alarm system from a computer running Windows, Linux, or Macintosh OS X. Sometimes these alarm panels are sold under different brand names like First Alert. In this video mini-series, we're going to show you how to install and activate the AD2USB adapter. Stay with us, follow these steps, and we'll guide you through the whole process. This video shows you how to physically connect your AD2USB to your alarm panel and to your computer. Other videos show you how to find, download, and install the software for your operating system, Windows or Macintosh OS X. Feel free to pause this video when you need to complete a step. And here's what the AD2USB looks like coming out of the package. Before we get started, let's gather everything you need to make your connection and get your AD2USB up and running. You'll need 2 screwdrivers, a 3.5mm Phillips head fitting the AD2USB adapter wire connections, and a number 2 Phillips head that fits your alarm panel wire terminals. Make sure you have alarm wire long enough to reach between your alarm panel and your computer location. You'll need to have a mini USB to USB cable on hand. We recommend a maximum 10-foot cable length. All keypads connected to your alarm panel have unique addresses. For instance, the default keypad address on a Vista 15P or 20P is 16. Your AD2USB factory set address is 18. If your alarm panel does not have a spare keypad address, now is a good time to configure your alarm panel. You can call your security monitoring company to ask them to add a new keypad configured with an 18 address. Ask them what address they configured, if not 18. If you know your alarm panel's installer code, you can program it in yourself. You'll need your panel's programming guide. You can download a copy of programming guides at the website on your screen. To program Vista 15P or 20P keypads, use data programming fields 191 through 196. Some older panels, such as Vista 10 SE or 20 SE, don't have any addressing. All keypads attached to these panels must be set to address 31. No alarm panel programming is needed. Simply configure your AD2USB to address 31 to add it to your alarm panel. Now you're ready to make some very simple wiring connections. The AD2USB gets its power from the alarm panel, so there's no need to worry about connecting to your home's internal wiring. We suggest you turn off the alarm panel while connecting your adapter. And we suggest you disconnect your alarm panel's battery as well. On the Honeywell Alarm Panel Vista Series 10, 15, or 20, these wire connections are numbered 4, 5, 6, and 7. On the Honeywell Alarm Panel Vista Series 50 and 128, these wire connections are different. Terminal 6 is a plus sign or 12 volt. Terminal 7 is a minus sign or ground. Terminal 8 is DI, and terminal 9 is DO. Your alarm panel's installation manual will help you identify these wire connections. If you can't find your manual, you can download a copy from this website. Let's connect the wiring in your alarm panel. Insert the correct wire colors into the correct alarm panel terminal. 12 volt, red, ground, black, DI, green, and DO, yellow. Make sure the terminals secure the wires tightly. On the AD2 USB, make these connections: 12 volt red, ground black, DI green, and DO yellow. Be careful to insert the wire into the correct spot in the terminal. Make sure these wires are tight in their terminals. Once the AD2 USB is correctly wired to the panel and the power is turned back on, remember to reconnect the battery as well. The green heartbeat indicator will begin flashing within 20 seconds. Now that the AD2 USB is alive, let's get it connected to your computer. We recommend that you keep the shortest possible distance between your computer and the AD2 USB. A 10-foot or less USB to mini USB cable is a good idea. Connect your AD2 USB to your computer with your USB to mini USB cable. Now that your AD2 USB is connected to your alarm panel on your computer, watch the next video in our series that shows you how to get and install the software for your operating system. Choose the video for either Windows or Macintosh OS X. Thanks so much for purchasing the AD2 USB and for watching this video. Please don't hesitate to contact us here at NewTek if you need extra help installing and using your AD2 USB adapter.